Okay, this is another quick video of trying to answer a question for one of my followers. They wanted to know what wires go where on that PC board there on this Skipper 300 or Palomar Skipper 300. So I undid my wire ties. I had all that cabled up and looking pretty, and spread the wires to hopefully show them how the wires go to this I don't know if that's the preamp board or the relay keying circuit board, or both. Probably both, with two transistors in there. So anyway, that's how the wires go. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. And like I say, I untied them, and reaching for a pointer. So this red wire here, where's my pointer? Always hard to point with a camera and point with your other hand with a finger. But this red wire here from the relay, looks like pin 1, goes to over there on the PC board, and that's the far relay. And then the middle relay this green wire here looks like from pin 7 of the middle relay, goes to the rear of the board under that orange, I don't know if that's a resistor, it's probably a choke, but under that orange choke there, it goes to that point there. And also on the middle relay here, looks like point 10. But anyway, this green wire here goes underneath that one. And underneath that red choke, right underneath it, trying to zoom in and get a good picture, but the more I zoom, that's a decent one. There, about as good as I'm gonna get on that second wire, right under that choke. Same trace as that choke, with that yellow stripe on it. And then I think the last wire going to that board, that top relay, connected to that bottom contact or bottom pole. Same ones has the one of the coaxial wires connected to it. See if I can move that over without breaking it all. It's got connected there, coax coming in, and the green one, and it goes to the bottom point of that relay. Battery's going dead too, so I'm going to try to hurry up. And last one, I don't even know where this green with red goes, but it comes from underneath, and it just goes right above that bottom green one. Alright, I'm going dead. This one's over. Alright, good luck. Bye.